Embracing the beauty of Lake Orta, a 1960s residence underwent a transformation, shedding its disjointed past for a harmonious haven. STUDIOPRIMATESTA restored the essence, a simple volume graced by a lakefront terrace. Minimalist elegance prevails inside and out, with an infinity pool complementing the serene ambience. The lower level sleeping quarters prioritize the captivating views, while a secluded wine cellar awaits the perfect moment.